It's 2026. The world has changed. Millions of people wake up early in the morning, not to work, but to watch AI doing their work for them. Some people lost their jobs, while other people became a millionaires by using same tools. The question is simple: which side will you be on? Let's explore the top 10 AI tools that either that replace you or make you rich. Tool 1: Chat GPT-5. It's not just a chatbot anymore. Chat GPT-5 can write a business plan, build plans, and even teach you how to earn money. Think of it as your 24 by 7 digital partner, the brain that never gets tired. Tool 2: Sora. Sora can turn words into videos. It is a magic tool for filmmakers and YouTubers and video editors. Tool 3: Midjourney V7. It's also called as Dream Painter. Designers once needed hours to make a poster or thumbnails. Now, Midjourney creates stunning arts from the single sentence. Creativity no longer belongs to a few, it's belong to everyone. Tool 4: ElevenLabs. It also calls as the voice of the future. Imagine your voice cloned perfectly by AI. You can create hundreds of videos or podcasts all with your own voice, without recording a word. That's the powerful of ElevenLabs. Fifth tool, Runway ML. It also called as the magic editor. Once editing videos took skill and time, Runway ML changed that. Remove backgrounds and add effects, even change the scene with one click. It's like a Hollywood inside your laptop. Sixth tool, Synthesia. It also called as the digital presentator. You no longer need to stand in front of camera. This AI will create a person who speaks your script in any language. New channels, teachers, creators, all can go global overnight. Tool 7: Perplexity AI, also called as Smart Researcher. While Google show links, but Perplexity gives answer. It reads the internet and summarize and tells the truth instantly. Students and professionals now finish hours of research in minutes. Too late, Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI gives lives of imagination. Game developers and artists use it to create worlds, weapons, and characters in seconds. It's art redefined by intelligence. Ninth tool, Opus Clip, also called as the viral machine. Opus Clips watches your long videos and cuts into best viral moments automatically. It's your personal editor, always finding the perfect YouTube Shorts moment. One click and your content is ready to blow up. 10th tool, Notion AI, also called as the brain organizer. Notion AI does not just store note, it's think with you. It's plan your day, write your notes, and organizes your goals. It is a silent partner behind every creator. In 2026, the world won't be divided by rich or poor. It will be divided by those who know or use AI and those who don't ignore it. So last thing, ask yourself, will AI replace you or will it make you unstoppable? If you believe in the power of knowledge,